no mirongo muyuna ndano atuye kwa kaina rukwana bana wanjimu to skole paveni wama na we akosho mwise amemba wewe ambita mosho mwise imbo muto upanga uyaruka ko amombora nyo nyimba uto vyunguranjo vitenga mu FNB eyo mbora nyima ikongore mbo shamuno vyungurambia ka uto kunguramo mwangana nyima igu ponchi o shovarumendo mitanda shanje ukala pe yanyo mimbika pa itu mosoweto ushatu hakaene pe ba payo amishipa ka uto vyungurea kashangizwa koko licho klasiko licha weka mbra usha boko licha njo hanjiwi tapuno banda behemba lake pako puparo serikali yanje noho yumo bandu mbanya ndo rupangu tukushambika muno serikali mo vedento mo mayobia bana mimba bareka mbakupa eyo mbangono homo 96 sambo ko mahongero marketing kaka tukurenga pokleji licha iteka chanje pangaleri ungura opa muno vyungurambi amishipa kakupa shanjeye no shimbumba shwana shwa ndumba limbo mapanga we muto warumindu to hogombro mero koita no kombandi bado no kulingira mba omba hongola mbuto akakala pamwe chimatia mo 2004 ashamba mbalo bikando mbalo bikuri amukando mukweyuwa oyera shimwe nyuba ongwe njikulisa nabano omukando mukuruka zengo washa wakurupa no bikuria byekabina kukali wobodongandi eyo wabarekiro mukando kushawana kushirongotero muya amimorubele ndo kotromyo kwa dhoma mapo je uyangi yaro kienda shosho mukando wabareko kotoro muya osho mundu ngungura puno bakwa omba numwe kukami hoko byaro yo dhonganda anda we puro mbogarero ihiti ujambaye murumendu moka kupabi kushawana numoka kupa mukaendu mwaka hapa moroendu tapi mura evera hele kushaka kumbyo onda yo bakwate bape wo mukaendu munene ngo jikulisa hine iso muninga ndu morobele ndo hanji ande ko mukaendu tekatimu munango wabareka pongo abarekerwa matu zo kushamba wapa herwa wapa nguru horo ko bano kalinga ambana ja ribanja ngo kalinga bakete ipingo ndu zo kaenda nako muna acha tuto kumunina ko makyo bana shwa kaona matu sasa nike kujawe no mburo mono rambo ndatu ngutaro ndo mbura serika zijitwa kapa hapa tromu okutera ko makyo kuchokalinga mtu keta pa kalinga ngo twasanekera kukaliwona ko murume ngo myarukengwi position twako shawana kaka ene na ko serika lengi morobele ndo aje mbino huko njo sera ndo ime ko nja kala ndajo asha no serika lengi maka pamango hautu arandoka wa isusu ka isusu shiri kukalando kuketendura mishoba hautu jiko shawana kaina ukabaga ashonjira ere osereka lengi katora na tembalanji atwiko shawana mu December 2004 njo chimba utokuvadha ebala moto alfira yutuku murongo nambali ipotende no hanjiki arara watereko mehoshina shatupura mehoshime njitarane asha wanga peli ameizanu apeli amepura uja omashe upi nguli bonde njira era washana ule wakale inga kashiti orekino kumana tutoro sereka denjo sonda ha chiri ko mulungu wa mukuru ompango yenji okishamba toro sereka no uto yeshulo shikukutu sho ngulise ubando bahingo ga kilo muto muno nandano oji auta shiteka auto jiyate ka watu puro meho ombo mundu jitibi ameya etati aroga unaimbia njoba ka tupo ena wahingira sekamizo muse pauli mo shukuru ojamba ka peno mbashe auto shanjo sho hi amino sereka no wandu mutu ali pamwe muti ali maruko bihange ne rumbiranje meninja munjo atushamba ete matuta uja atu badabi shanjo njoba yo mwashengwi matwala pa mahutwana oshirongo wine pa kwatira balonga nda yawo aimbi abika Peter Rondo no sereka de yave aponjo vetatu mubada mbo modolefa tukambro chauto tukotoka una mimbia chito kutoka una mimbia kapeo mbere uri aitwa sereka de yanjo mwashi unombro mono na ambo ndatu nuko mulungu wa mukuru omwashenge hamwine nge hakonjitire nge haotegere ngwa po bakwati omdubi ronjo ya peke kongaro no bishitu wa muho kombi atoro mashaita mosho mwise aito mosho mutiti arongeri zi watu twako serikali ya mungu irongeri zo kuhitiza mudo beta za muno mwi shahiti shapasa ako mashengo maiko skoli kako serikali meyo ngogeri honga ko politeka morubezendo ameja baya serikali makumongiza mwanga mbongi hanji ngano megunjia tasha gumbu futosko lenjo serikali iri hongo biri obingura biri honga mbyo kombunda ana tanaura inayo yoshirwa shiweke shungura bima makashibena diondo mambo muthuja mahorora uririto orondo serikali yakakutwariro mungure wo wa green team anje tukura menemba kombunda anao amishime chamera ndizo chihauto chanjo chizarandushi omurume numazumbanga gahengali po nongo hengali nande owashirishiro bimali babithutwa mibyo chihauto chanja mimejwa ushobo baliye bondo ndoko mbanda bimali abika biro ukakapo ulili mutu patukali wasi amanyondo hauto shiyakaya kunandi chaka mbulo chihauto chizarandushi nguno mbala mbanja at nambano ali angamo mahinga chainje ise panji yanji maiturwa onjira kambwa kapena munhu nguvango kiyako kombakiro muno atuli kwanguriza chihauto chekupako vandu muno mwi osho mundu oluzivero kwa muhoko vandu vanashe muno mahauto yaveri kumwa bopa sha muno hauto yaru kwa bopa hauto njeo harina naro inambao minga piti hauto njisha akapita oshia yakuna ndio shima liwa imezo nukuserekarera arandoshi hauto shi master nji shima tuiko ngandaru hatu kaenda hatu kongorazana menalo kusha ovarume ndumbase kama mbambalimbo omurongo nabe bali mbumaberi isa no upanga wa atulikwa ponambo peka endo mbele shima mwango kungurongo wapo kungura po matundi ovarumbe betiasa nanganduko byunda byao shima shama ikoleze bati onabe kanjo ouje horendo ndi hanu ndala lakura mamba omundawe onabe kanjo uzokienda ko yiwe tukaenda hatu kongorazana aminaye okeresmesa shima tudume pako yuri ko mulungu wanya mimbiri kongo tfeye poko ucho chauto cha wisi kunda no hambiye hapo kuisa shanjina chauto icha serikali ro iru baramba oshinisa na chiva wa mosha abeika abei eye wakuruko gombara mbanja no ihameno tambo pozi porobeza ndo anja mbimbino njiwo mosowedo yo matuwe bali uri murume nungutwa kaka pamwe mituoranjero mara moko kimunga ondo anji mazuko facility ondorongo omuvere mazuko hungwe murubeze ndo anja da serikali kenai o shauto isha dano kuisa atupa auto yarwe o Toyota Mbapa njiwa wisira pickups farm shanga no kuisa Toyota Mbapa nji o Belton pojiranjo Belton nji uri mutu wako batiko rore ashiti mba auto yu o auto ndio zero kanyi matuhungire njo aga nayo no vitu kaunguro vingi shinene mosho muise o shimbo baro maumbanga chitano auto njo shiri kashite waingire mba ushomora unaita no maeba podi bya auto bihembi bya paruisa uliti nambano ya mana chimba ko I'll do a summary ne the green team I'll do a summary when I'm done thank you shima tu mama bya auto nga shama no bya auto bihembi wa hela kona o kena shi auto ishe mudepa pozio kushia shime hapo mayoye auto 2019 na jibezo lokubamba mishiri ndo mbamba zemba no baserekare ro baba bazo no kuserekare yakusha eyaze mburuke yubano iringa ndiko mbando mundu njala mu 2019 na shima ikorundu amepura bija mboya nambanete twakuru pema tuzo yaruka ko nganda no bengo ishimo sha moyi korundu njira yo nga kunjito ngubambu last mboya shiwashe ove moyi okuta murume numbu tukala pa mwembo be yamwe jima muja mwe ko nganda mino mei opaira korundu ngo okondivundu katenga shamba muno transfer njime hewanji je kushito umpambu imbo episani za 20 nondi nambano ombuga mundu kono ko hamwe yaruka ko bidambia shikwa tusoki yakura pozipe no njira ko mungu momunyo murume ndukushimotala makaendo uno washinene orondu chimatu hakura no mwashewe mudando shiberi shigume twaserekari wamba kushehea yatuli kwa wata yatuli kwa eno mbulo mulongo na movie onduma sasa ne kwa mumugandu wengungu ina embi okusha ngahi no ina kombla shikume masoko paru therapy obarume ndumbo ihemba na bakura mamba ushombo ngarerombo mapanga yatuli kwa vasho pubeti okubatiro mukaendo muhepundungo okukulisa mwashengo omurume ndo nganda ajuba karume ndu ulimba kongo yanje washa no honja tumanja yo makaya okusha mina kumuna usha obanashemba mpebe na puma betu uliro kukulisa nambano jua pratene no yatulikwa omaerero wa matenga mu byungura mu 2005 shi motwapo no kuisa ko mbulanjo njikwa to mukaendu ngwe mukulisa eya promote mu byungura mu 2019 sha yako kondivundu oshikwa to murume nduma ko muhuma na nyuba iliaza nyuba mbaro yembe mukulisa munomu shima muno transfer inji okienda ko rundu na injero senina oshikando oshikwatiro murume ndungu kanginyo bangwe mukulisa okusha obyungula mulume byasererwa ndaya mukugaenda kwabyo nambano tiye kokumana mbi o chimele mbulukizo iyo sini ambano o mbayuba wowe wongwatero waparuithire no mawe bali abatire shiero murongo naye bali wala masoku okukwatu muna noho gene twatunu korukuru to sini general na kiarukango ngako kusha pale okana ngo gazeti cheka mo mayuba ngo papisana nambano mbama na mi mutu hinapo na pumetira po pumeiva obakwetu mbatenge pobasho meridiri na mabe kambulango kugurizo banashe batulikwa ku flora inashine jimeingire uri flora amimba ko toro muya fege gieta masho mukagona kawo muhepundo mutenga oshinashisha shitwa koveshi kawo mundo mutenga mo uyepo tiyo kusha munjambi muhupa ami mama watambi no mburo mulongo na imwe tate watambi no mburo mulongo na hambo mbali tapumbita ndinondi okusha munjambi muhupa pandera pongambuli omuhonge wo perimba omambo mengi kaenda kumaetu twala lirano lino chomo heiteni omambo ya florongo ulisi kehiana shebango kusha nambia romambo ngamera kara utwambiha amembianjo program magumbingana mudundiri. In short, it's not easy to lose a friend, a family, and a peer. Myself and Juba, we had a journey for 44 years. We started the primary school at Lister, there in the village, where we are going to bury him tomorrow. Thereafter, we moved to the junior secondary school, where I left him and I went to Venduk for secondary and senior secondary. He matriculated in Hobabas. 1995, he got a job. He went to Venduk for tertiary education. Due to the influence that I was recently recruited at FNB in 1995, he also seek a job at the NCS, where he was recruited in 1996. Thereafter, we met as a young team generation and as friends. I got married 2000. He got married 2004. I bought my first car, which was a red buggy. I think all of you know his red buggy. That was my first car. So when I move on to my next car, he inherited this car. As we all know, by then the finance was a challenge. Myself as a banker by then influenced the system to ensure that Nuva got some sense to buy his first car. We all aware about several accidents that he went through with his red buggy. That was approximately more than 10 or 15, all of which he survived. Thereafter, he also bought a master buggy, which he overturned. After that, he got a white buggy, which he overturned. But all these cars couldn't brought his life to end. But unfortunately, after the transfer to Rundu, because he started in Rundu, this happened where we are today. My final message was to the widow, where I said I lost my mom when I was 11 years old, my dad at the age of 17. So Flora you must look to the Almighty. Even though you lost your parent, through the belief in the pastors, her pastor that is present, we know God will come forth here. For the kids, what happened significantly is that when Yuba lost his dad, he was 19. Today his son lost him at the age of 19 as well. His first promotion, the aunt that raised Yuba died in 2005, and that's when he got his first promotion. Then the other uncle also passed on 2019 when he got the promotion to Rundu. When he was transferred to Rundu, the first one is the Rundu. When he was transferred to Rundu, the dad that raised him passed on in November when he got the transfer to Rundu. So we believe and say that through his journey, he was blessed by the parents and the elders. So I submit. Thank you.